The 2018 Lincoln MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, CD player, brake assist, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.